Friends, human beings are driven by their inner urges. Those enlightened are driven by the social and religious good concepts. Those not inclined socially can go on the other way. But one important point in all human actions, first take birth in the human mind, then only they become actions. Therefore, every action has got a thought behind, and every thought has got a motivation behind, and every motivation gets converted into an actionable thought by the value system. Therefore, values have a very important role in decision making, in our thinking, in our actions. Unfortunately, values are not as straightforward as we think. Values can be dicey. We all think values are straightforward. No. Values means something of importance. But evil also has a value, and good also has a value. After all, a murderer, when commits murder, must have been motivated by some value. Same way, those who sacrifice their life for saving others and for the nation also have a value which has come from their inner self. Therefore, the point to understand is there are mainly four types of values. First, the natural values or inborn values which come from the inner self. We are all motivated by the nature. We all are driven by the nature. Everybody wants to live and survive. Even a murderer wants to live. Even murderer wants to have food for satisfying hunger. Even a murderer or evil person wants to have peace, sometimes to sleep properly. This desire for peace, this desire for survival, this desire for help and happiness is a natural desire or natural value which is generated from inner self. But life is not that simple. We have various levels. Beyond mind, we have our intellect, we have our ego, we have our conscious thinking, we have our natural system, nature, which comes from our deeds, tamasic, rasic, sattvic, and all those affect us. They all contribute to our value system and they affect our value system. Therefore, people develop acquired values, pseudo values, which can be dangerous. Coming to this, after the natural, the next one is the acquired values. Acquired values means the values which we acquire through our education, religious or non-religious, through our living together in the society, through our interaction with the people and experiences of the daily life. These acquired values are very important. Beyond these acquired values are the pseudo values. Pseudo values are very dangerous. Pseudo values also can be of two types, good and bad pseudo values. Therefore, pseudo values are the ones which we learn in our daily life and find are something which can be used to achieve our goal. Ultimately, the needs drive our motivation, our value system. And when we think by following, say by appeasing someone or by licking somebody's feet or by giving somebody bribe, or by helping somebody, we can gain our goals of the worldly life. These become pseudo values. These are not our real values. Our real experience based values become our acquired values. But the values which are temporary, which we really do not really subscribe to but follow to achieve our goals, are the pseudo values. Therefore, values, first, they can be good values and bad values, and within the good and bad, there can be natural values, acquired values, and pseudo values. And a human motivation is modulated by these values to become the actionable signal which leads to our actions. All such happenings which are happening in the society, some people killing helpless people, some people murdering someone to gain the material gain, people fighting over property and killing each other, people sacrificing their life on the border, these are all value based actions. If we can understand the importance of value in our life, we can develop good human beings with good human values. The need is to segregate acquired bad values, pseudo bad values from natural good values, and help people develop a value system which is good for them, which is good for the society, which is good for the community, and helps everyone in daily life. God bless all. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.